Hip Hop Under 15. I maestri Gianni e Maria Gilberti. Gianni, mio figlio, purtroppo non sono presenti per motivi di lavoro. Loro insegnano hip hop a livelli alti, hanno studiato in America, loro ballano da poco, ma loro hanno dei gruppi veramente forti che oggi non sono potuti venire. Ok. Ok, DJ.
What of the dollar you murder for? Is that the one fighting for your soul? Or your brother's the one that you're running from? But if you got money, fuck it, cause I want some.
B.I.G. Fucking with me. Oh God. Whoa. Okay, ain't nobody fucking with my click. Click, 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 click. Ain't nobody fresher than my motherfucking click. Click, 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 click. As I look around, they don't do it like my click. Click, 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 click. And all these bad bitches, man, they want the. Tell a bad bitch, do whatever I say. I block behind me like I'm coming out the driveway. It's grind day from Friday to next Friday. I've been up straight for 9 days, I need a spy day. Yeah. She try and give me that Wu-Tang, I might let my crew bang. My crew deep in that Wu-Tang, I'm rolling with, fuck I'm saying. Girl, you know my crew name, you know 2 Chainz. I'm pulling up in that Bruce Wayne, but I'm clicking. Fresher than my motherfucking clique.
Yo. Okay. All the nigga with it. All the nigga with it. All the nigga ball. All the niggas out lit. All the niggas A1. All got street cred. All the niggas ball. All the niggas out lit. Pulled up in the family. Pulled off with a dance. Got a pocket full of money. Kinda hard to keep my pants up. Nigga tryna run the bands up. Fuck a bitch with my hands up. Little crazy fuck his hands up. Kinda hard to understand up.
All the way to the skit. Poppin' out the rape and skit. Switch to the bitch and skit. Running the jump, no limit. Poppin' on the dick. Poppin' on the pills. Got a new car, got a new bitch. And I got a new deal.
As we enter, come the way to get one of the biggest adventure. Must be the venture that you ever thought you could touch our credentials. What's the addition? You beat and rock the lyrical officials. Send out the order, laws and the rituals.
Burn candles, say prayers, paint mirrors. It is truth, we big news, we hood heroes.
So as the anchor, we come to conquer. Man a bad man, we not play really wonka.
And I got the guns,
I got the ganja.
and we can blaze it up on your block if you wanna. Or haze it up, stash spots in a Hummer. Or you can run up and get done up.
Or get something that you want, none of. Unlimited amount to collect from us. Direct from us, street intellect to us.
And I'm shrewd about decimals, and my man to speak true. What do you want to do? I go buy Lamborghini for you. I go buy a Ferrari for you. Get you the best designer for you. I go buy a for you. I go buy a for you. I go buy a for you. You deserve it, you do. I go buy a for you. I know about me. Anyway you call, you pass a bus up. When you marry me, she tell me not so. Let me tell you, girl, I can't be why you. African girl, let's find a model. Bend over, girl, then tip by your toe. Sexy big bumper, girl, me stop by your flow. Girl, come wind up on the marco. You don't know, go be my number one. You don't know, I'm gonna make you number two. You don't know, chat money where you want to. That's all I gotta say to you. What do you want to? I go buy Lamborghini for you. I go buy a Ferrari for you. Get you the best designers to move. I go buy a for you. I go buy a for you. I go buy a for you. You deserve it, you do. I go buy a for you.
Bravi, bravi, bravi. Bravissimi. Ok. Un altro show. Adesso